Hello everyone, myself Naveen from Srinath Institute of Technology. On the workshop of innovative ideas, our startup company name is Innovation Tech. Product present name is Headphones. Product proposed name is Nova Ecolux. Mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the consumers during empathizing activity. Personalized sound profile tailored to individual hearing. Headphones may become even more compact and comfortable. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of consumers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is headphones, futuristic product name is no Ecolabs. Some additional features to be added or mentioned here: holographic display, wireless charging, biometric authentication, augmented audio reality. In prototype stage, real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request to viewers to of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.